Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Bold and the Beautiful. Today we're going to tackle a common question that many people have. Is dandruff contagious? It's an important topic to address. So let's dive right in and uncover the truth behind dandruff and its contagiousness. Before we delve into whether dandruff is contagious or not, let's first understand what dandruff actually is. Dandruff is a common scalp condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by the shedding of dead skin cells from the scalp, resulting in those pesky white flakes we often see on our shoulders. The main causes of dandruff include an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus called malassezia, dry scalp, and oily scalp. These factors can disrupt the normal shedding process of skin cells, leading to an accumulation of dead skin on the scalp and the appearance of dandruff. Now, let's address the big question. Is dandruff contagious? The short answer is no. Dandruff is not contagious. You cannot catch dandruff from someone else, nor can you pass it on to others through direct contact. The reason dandruff is not contagious is because it is primarily caused by internal factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, or certain medical conditions. It is not caused by external factors or contagious agents like bacteria or viruses. So if you're worried about catching dandruff from someone else, rest assured that it's not something you need to be concerned about. Even though dandruff isn't contagious, it can still be an irritating and persistent condition. The good news is that dandruff can be managed and treated effectively. Regularly washing your hair with a gentle, anti-dandruff shampoo can help control the flakes and reduce scalp itching. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, managing stress, and avoiding triggers like harsh hair products can contribute to a healthier scalp. In conclusion, dandruff is not contagious, so there's no need to worry about catching it from others. Remember, dandruff is a common scalp condition that can be managed and treated with proper care and the right products. If you're struggling with persistent dandruff or have concerns about your scalp health, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. That concludes today's video, my fabulous viewers. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the wonders of dandruff. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!